Understanding factory layout, simplifying industrial terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the industrial world to understand a commonly used term, factory layout. This phrase might sound technical, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to learn. Before we delve into the term, factory layout, let's understand what a factory is. A factory is a large building where goods are manufactured or assembled, primarily using machines. It's a crucial part of the manufacturing industry, where raw materials are transformed into finished products. Factories can vary in size and function, producing anything from cars to clothing. Now, let's focus on the phrase, factory layout. The word, layout, refers to the arrangement of something. So, a factory layout involves the arrangement or setup of machines, equipment, and workspace within a factory. This layout is essential for efficient production, safety, and workflow. An effective factory layout ensures that the manufacturing process is smooth and cost-effective. Factories can have different layouts depending on their needs. Here are a few types. 1. Linear layout. This is where machinery is arranged in a line, and products move along this line during manufacturing. 2. U-shaped layout. Here, machines are arranged in a U-shape, which can save space and reduce movement. 3. Cellular layout. In this arrangement, machines are grouped by the product being made, allowing for more flexibility. Understanding these layouts can help you grasp how factories optimize their space and workflow. Why is factory layout important? A well-planned layout improves efficiency. It minimizes the movement of materials and workers, reducing time and cost. Enhances safety. Proper spacing and organization reduce the risks of accidents. Increases productivity. A streamlined layout can boost the production rate and quality. So, factory layout is all about the strategic arrangement of equipment and spaces in a factory to maximize efficiency and safety. We hope this video has made the term clearer and more interesting for you. Stay tuned for more fun and educational content on English language learning. Happy learning!